Good morning, everyone. It's Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness. Again, I'm going to talk today about some sweet swaps that you can make for a healthier holiday. So we all know that here in the US, we've got less than a week to go for our Thanksgiving. And of course, our Thanksgiving's loaded with lots of desserts, lots of sweet things like sweet potato casserole. And then we go full force into the holiday season. And then, of course, we get into that rut of going to so many social events, so many things that cause us to probably eat more than we want to and eat more sweets than we want to. So today I'm just going to give you 3 more tips on some things that you can do. And excuse me while I want to make sure I get my recipes right. So the number one thing that you can do is to eat a smoothie. So normally when I talk about smoothies, I talk about green smoothies. But if you're really wanting to have a really sweet taste, then you can have a smoothie. It's a great alternative. And all you need is your choice of fruits. You can try maybe strawberries and bananas, then add some yogurt. Of course, healthy whole Greek fat yogurt is the best. You can add some milk, like maybe almond milk, and add a little bit of honey if you want to. If you really want to, you can, to make it a little bit thicker, you can add a little bit of protein powder, but generally the yogurt in and of itself will make it a little bit thicker for you. So that's a great alternative because once you've eaten that, it does help you with your sweet cravings and will help you to get past that real desire to eat something sweet. So I know that's definitely helped me. So another thing that you can do, we talked about several of them last time, but you can make your own trail mix. So I know that sometimes as a quick fill in there, we like to use some kind of trail mix because we think it's healthy and we think, that will fill me up pretty quickly. But if you make your own, then it's definitely a healthier alternative. So here is a quick way to get some trail mix made. So start by adding different types of nuts and seeds and grains. So great ones for these are like your raw almonds. Pumpkin seeds are great. Any kind of cashew nut to add in there, that's a great addition. If you really want to sweeten it up, then just add most people say add M&Ms, but what I would like to do and what I would rather do is add the cacao nibs in there because you're still getting that taste of chocolate, but it is a healthy one. So you can add some raisins in there or some dried cranberries, but not too many. And you can add some unsweetened coconut in there because that adds just a good dimension to it. So that's really easy to mix up. You can mix and match with so many things in that way. So the last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is that there is controversy on how to pronounce this. So I'm just going to say the acai bowls, the ACAI bowls, very popular these days in a lot of health food stores. If you've got little cafes in there, they offer this as an option. So I'm going to read here. You can make one of these for as small an amount as $3. Just a great way to do it as a snack, to actually do it a little more robustly as an alternative for your breakfast. So, you get your bowl, you get some frozen acai, and you can add things like the fruit of your choice. A lot of people like bananas in there. Toppings of your choice, like you could add in, for example, mangoes, bananas, strawberries, vanilla granola, topped with a little bit of honey. If you want to throw a few cacao nibs in there, again, some unsweetened coconut. You can throw on the side of it a little bit of yogurt if you want to. It's definitely a very sweet thing, but it's a very, very healthy alternative. And if you know anything about me, I love to do healthy swaps. I don't think it's about deprivation or starvation. I think that you should be able to get in some sweets, but there are always some healthy alternatives and different kind of sweets that you can have that will satisfy that craving, but you're not adding in like a bar of chocolate like you might do, or something that's really, really heavy laden. So remember the ASEA bowls, especially because they are so easy to make. So you can add almost anything. You can change them up. You can do them for lunch. You can do them for breakfast. You can have a small one as a snack. So just that's a great one to do. So just think about it as we're going into the holiday season. Instead of all that heavy stuff that usually leaves us feeling bloated, leaves us feeling stuffed, and often feeling guilty because there again we've overdone it. And I could do a whole thing on how I've been going through that myself lately, coming back from a cruise, and how hard it is not to have those sweets again. So try some healthy alternatives. Those are 3 easy swaps. My early one in the week gave you 4 easy swaps, so go back and listen to that. And so in the meantime, I'm again going to drop in the link, the offer that I have on my website, and you can just go on there under the free, and it gives you 5 simple recipes to kick your sugar addiction. So that's really a great way for you to get some really delicious desserts without all of the sugar and all of the fats that are added. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your Friday. Happy weekend when you come to the end of the day. And don't forget, when you're shopping, shop on the outsides of the grocery store so that you can get your healthy alternatives. This is Lynn again, Holistic Health and Wellness. Have a wonderful Friday. Bye.